Hey tool fans and DIY pros, today we're getting hands-on with the 10-inch Ratcheting Adjustable Wrench, a versatile crescent-style spanner with built-in scale markings, wide jaw capacity, and anti-slip grips for solid control. It's finished in black oxide for durability and features a smooth ratcheting mechanism that makes plumbing, mechanical, and workshop jobs a whole lot easier. Let's unbox it, put it to work, and see if it earns a spot in your toolkit. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. What are you waiting for? Buy now!